I'm Doug Peters. I'm Vice President of Operations at RE2.
I'm Jorgen Pedersen. I'm the President and CEO of RE2. RE2 is focused on building mobile manipulators, that is, making robotic arms that go on mobile robots. The areas of focus are for explosive ordnance disposal to help bomb technicians defuse a bomb remotely, keeping soldiers and domestic bomb squad personnel away from harm's way.
We decided to call on Nexstara because our growth was was going beyond what we could comfortably do internally, and we knew we needed some more advanced solutions. We have a very complicated work environment where we're using a number of different operating systems and a number of different computer networks that we're tying together, and so being able to tie these things together in a seamless way, we knew we needed something more than what we were internally able to do.
We're a high technology company, and the problems that we have and the requirements that we have for our network are more than the typical company. We're not just doing databases, and we're not just doing Windows. We're using multiple operating systems. We're doing very technical things. We needed some level of control over our network, and that's exactly what Nexstara was able to provide to us.
So one of the biggest challenges that we had that really prompted us to use Nexstara was the number of different operating systems. We have Linux, Windows, and Macintosh, and we're doing software development as well as controls on all three of those systems. So being able to tie those three systems together and allow software to be shared amongst them was one of the key issues and one of the key benefits that we had in pulling Nexstara in.
Another issue that we had, which caused us to move to Nexstara, is the ability to support all the disparate systems that we have. We have many different development systems. We had Track, we had Subversion, we had our normal logins, we had domain logins. It got a bit cumbersome, and people had to remember 14 different passwords just to do development. So one of the advantages was a consolidation of all these disparate systems into one streamlined solution. One of the biggest measures of success of our Nexstara solution has been that the morale of our people has increased just by the mere fact that it's a streamlined machine just running in the background, and that people aren't having to deal with issues themselves. They can just call Nexstara and it'll be handled. And it reduces my stress level because I don't have people knocking on my door every day complaining about some IT issue. I just know that it's handled in the background.
And when there is an issue that comes up, a phone call to Nexstara is, they've been very responsive. You know, getting back to us 10 minutes, half an hour from the time of the call, day or night. I mean, they come in at all hours. Several times it's even been, throughout the night.
So I think the biggest impact of moving to Nexstara has been my stress level is reduced. So before, we were dealing with our IT issues internally. If the person that was handling one portion of that IT solution was on vacation, well, we had an issue. So now we have a team of experienced people in the background just dealing with these issues 24 hours a day, and that's exactly what we need, and makes my life a lot easier.
It is critical that our network be up at all times, and that's one of the biggest points with our service to the customers with Nexstara, is the knowledge that the server is always up, that we always have access to the outside world, and that the customers and clients can get to our network and can get to our website at any time. He's just happy.
Yeah.
Since we've gone to Nexstara, he's just happy.
Yeah.